update 66. Quite a bit of wind today, so sorry if you can't hear me. Still preparing for the concrete pour, unfortunately. The concrete guys can't actually get here until Friday, so Thursday this morning. They're still marling in the actual driveway stroke garage. They're still smocking in the actual the steel work, which I'll show you. So obviously all the actual concrete blocks, they call them smocks, they're all underneath the actual cast iron. Morning bud, how are you? Yeah, good, you? Making sure the right size underneath has to be 3 inches off the floor, so they're all pretty much done. They might block this today, I don't know why they haven't done that yet, but again, it's literally level, roll, compact, level, roll, compact. They've still got to do a compact test on the actual floor over there as well. Whether they're going to do that or not, I don't know. But it's something that I think we need to do. I think the engineer expects it. So in an ideal world, they need to hire a machine called, I think it's called a deflector meter. And they need to do that, and then they've obviously got all the actual boxing to start doing for the pool area, etc., which has now been marked out on the floor. So apart from that, it literally is just preparing absolutely everything, making sure there's no holes in the actual in the DPM. If there are, well, that guy there is actually masking them up, look, making sure that any hole that's been created by the steel guys is covered up, so that the water can't come up and penetrate through. We've had some what they call sumps, so basically 12-inch square holes put in the corners that we can actually lower a pump in. If water does get into the basement, you lower the pump in and pump the water out. We've still got to discover how we're going to get it out, but yeah, that's being done. Henry, the roller man, is standing there waiting to go. Other than that, that's pretty much where we are at the moment. It's waiting for tomorrow, really. So basic skeleton stuff in today, just making sure that we're ready for tomorrow's pour. And I think tomorrow's going to be pretty crazy, because obviously we're going to have a concrete pump. Concrete pump itself is going to land up, obviously, pumping out the concrete for a lot of trucks. So there's basically a hell of a lot of concrete going in here. I think it's about 50,000, 60,000 worth of concrete in the floor. So lots to do tomorrow. So fingers crossed, we'll be ready for it. But anyway, I'll check in a bit later on if there's any changes. It's a bit late to film anything. I'll say late, it's not late, it's about 20 to 7, but obviously we're losing light. So just nipped in to grab the camera. Looks like we're pretty much ready for tomorrow. I started setting out the pool. Can't really see anything, it's obviously a light, but they've started setting out the pool area, which is quite good. So I'll get more information and clearer picture of that tomorrow. They've also started doing the main wall through the actual garage, which is good. So yeah, the actual swimming pool being set out is actually brilliant. I mean, that's basically where the irrigation tanks are going to be around the side. That's the main swimming pool area itself. So I'll get some more film footage of it tomorrow morning when I return. And they've also started putting up the sheeting for the dust for the neighbours as well. So yeah, I'll check in tomorrow if you can see me, and give you an update then.